What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trades and Gains. It's your favorite host, Max Pitts. Big money isn't waiting for the close today. It's already flexing its muscle. From massive gold calls to deep out of the money puts on coin, the tape is absolutely loud, like a toddler throwing a tantrum. Welcome back to our midday flow breakdown with Trades and Gains, where we break down what the whales are doing before the rest of the market catches on. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss the real market moves. Now, let's start with the elephant in the room. As we can see here, GLD, four back-to-back block trades that just ripped across the tape. We had 315 calls, 320 calls, 320 calls, and 310 calls even. Over 100,000 contracts and nearly 50 million in call premiums. This isn't retail chasing. This is macro whale territory. With inflation stickier than expected and rates possibly topping, someone is loading gold exposure and hard. It could be a hedge, a directional bet, or both. Now, coin put a bombshell out into the room today as well. Coin saw one of the boldest prints this morning. We saw the 140 puts due for 12/17/2027, and that was 1,000 contracts at a $28 average, giving them a scalp. That's a deep thesis. A 2-year crypto as a whole could be in real trouble, whether it's regulatory risk, Bitcoin volatility, or just a long hedge on a balance sheet exposure. Someone thinks this ends badly. Now, we also had Tesla back poking its head in. Tesla is in full-blown chess match again. Check this out. We have 450 calls, 1,000 contracts on a block, 2.59 million spent in premiums. And then we have $315 puts, 2,496 contracts on a block for a 2.42 million premium. When you see calls and puts in size like this, it's often volatility positioning. Could be a straddle, could be two different funds taking opposite sides. But one thing's for sure, someone expects a move, and they're not shy about the size here. Now, NVDA, they're back. Again, can't stop, won't stop. Anyways, we had the 160 calls due for July of 2025 come in. And we had them for September of 2025 as well. 1.98 million spent on premiums. And then we also had 1.83 million spent on premiums with the 620 average. Post-split, smart money is still accumulating upside exposure with our favorite AI beauty queen of the century. The flow is cleaner than we've seen in weeks. No choppiness, no hedgy noise. Just slow, confident call buying. And with AI hype plus earnings cycles ahead, this could just be the beginning. Now let's talk about some quick hits here. We had Mr. with a 390 call sweep, $2 million premium. We had C with a $75 call block, 2.2 million. We had CAPR, $7.50 P, 5,000 contracts, 1.55 million in premiums. We had Snow, $240 call sweep, 504K in premiums. And then we had UUU 10K calls, block at 50 cents average. Is that a uranium play maybe? All signs point to speculative plays ramping up. We're seeing biotechs, crypto, energy, and even uranium plays. Funds are spreading out like prepping for a volatile Q3. Flow so far. We have GLD 90 million in call premium, NVIDIA 20 million with 75K in open interest stacked. Coin huge December 2027 put. SPY steady blocks but leaning puts. Tesla is a mixed bag but with big size. Dark pool watch, we had Mr. 326 million at the 384.13 level. We had SPY 301 million at the 602.11 level. And we had UNH at 190 million at the 317.34 level. Now, if you're not tracking this flow daily, you're playing blind. This is where funds move before the headlines hit. We break this down every single day here and on Substack. Hit that like button, drop your favorite ticker below, and tell me what you think is really going on behind these prints. And if you want daily access to this flow, annotated charts, and trade ideas, head over to investorcentralclub.com. Code 130 gets you the first month for only $30. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you in the next one, and happy Friday.